A teen millionaire? You bet. It might sound like a dream, but it's entirely possible. Did you know that teenagers can become millionaires? It's true. With the right mindset and strategies, you can set yourself on a path to financial success. You don't need a trust fund or win the lottery. In fact, most self-made millionaires didn't start with a lot of money. They started with a plan and a commitment to their financial goals. You just need to understand the power of investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making smart decisions and being patient. Investing is like planting a seed. When you plant a seed, you don't expect it to grow into a tree overnight. You water it, give it sunlight, and over time it grows. The earlier you plant, the more time it has to grow into a mighty tree. The same goes for your investments. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine that tree representing your wealth. As it grows, so does your financial security and freedom. It's never too early to start. Even if you're just putting away a small amount each month, it can make a big difference in the long run. Even small amounts consistently invested can grow into significant wealth over time. The key is consistency and patience. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Let's explore how you can start your journey to financial freedom, even before you graduate high school. First, educate yourself about personal finance. There are plenty of resources available, from books to online courses, that can teach you the basics of saving, budgeting, and investing. Knowledge is power. The more you know about managing your money, the better prepared you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Next, set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's saving for college, buying a car, or starting a business, having specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Open a savings account and start putting money aside regularly. Even if it's just a small amount, it adds up over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers to make saving easier. Learn about different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are just a few ways you can grow your money. Each has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to do your research and understand what you're investing in. Diversify your investments to spread out risk. Don't put all your money into one stock or one type of investment. By diversifying, you can protect yourself against market fluctuations and increase your chances of long-term success. Celebrate your financial milestones. Every step you take towards your goals is an achievement. Recognize your progress and stay motivated. Share your knowledge with others. By teaching your friends and family about personal finance, you can help them achieve their financial goals too. Plus, explaining concepts to others can reinforce your own understanding. Finally, dream big. Don't limit yourself to small goals. With hard work, dedication, and smart financial planning, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not just about having money, it's about having the freedom to live the life you want. So, start your journey today. The path to becoming a teen millionaire is within your reach. With the right mindset, knowledge, and actions, you can turn your dreams into reality. Good luck. Think of investing as a head start on your future. When you start investing as a teenager, you are giving yourself a significant advantage. It's like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow and bear fruit. This head start can make a huge difference in your financial well-being down the road. Money invested today has more time to grow than money you save later. This is because of the power of time. The longer your money is invested, the more opportunities it has to grow through the ups and downs of the market. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow into substantial sums. This is because of the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is one of the most powerful concepts in finance. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time. When you earn interest on your initial investment, and then earn interest on that interest, your money starts to grow at an accelerating rate. Compound interest is like earning interest on your interest. Imagine you invest $100 and earn 5% interest. After the first year, you have $105. In the second year, you earn interest on $105, not just the original $100. This cycle continues, and over time, your investment grows faster and faster. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. As the snowball rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. Similarly, as your investment grows, it picks up more interest, which in turn earns more interest. This compounding effect can lead to significant growth over time. The earlier you start, the bigger your snowball will be. Starting early gives your investments more time to grow and compound. Even if you start with small amounts, the key is to start as soon as possible. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to benefit from compound interest. Investing can help you achieve your dreams faster. Whether you want to buy a car, travel the world, or save for college, investing can help you reach your financial goals more quickly. By putting your money to work, you can make your dreams a reality sooner than you might think. Want to buy a car, travel the world? These dreams can become achievable with smart investing. Instead of just saving money in a bank account where it earns minimal interest, investing allows your money to grow at a much faster rate. This can help you afford the things you want in life. Investing can help you get there sooner. By starting to invest now, you can take advantage of the time you have on your side. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This can help you achieve your financial goals faster and with less effort. It's time to take control of your financial future. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. By starting early, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and give yourself a head start on your financial journey. Don't wait, start investing today and take control of your financial future. Many teens think investing is only for adults with lots of money. That's simply not true. In fact, starting to invest at a young age can be one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This concept is known as compound interest, where the interest you earn on your investment starts to earn interest itself. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your initial investment. So, don't be discouraged by the misconception that investing is only for the wealthy or older adults. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need a lot of money to start. This simply isn't true. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin your investment journey. In fact, many investment platforms and apps are designed specifically for people who want to start with small amounts. These platforms allow you to invest with as little as a few dollars, making it accessible for almost everyone. The key is to start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable and knowledgeable. The truth is, you can start investing with very small amounts. Even if you only have a few dollars to spare each week, you can begin to build a portfolio. Micro-investing apps are a great way to get started. These apps allow you to invest your spare change by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. Over time, these small amounts can add up and grow significantly. It's all about consistency and making investing a regular habit. There are apps and platforms that allow you to invest with as little as $5. These tools are designed to make investing easy and accessible for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. They offer a variety of investment options, from stocks and bonds to ETFs and mutual funds. By starting with small amounts, you can learn the basics of investing without taking on too much risk. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investments and explore more advanced strategies. Another myth is that investing is too risky. While it's true that all investments carry some level of risk, there are ways to manage and mitigate these risks. It's important to understand that risk is a natural part of investing, but it doesn't have to be a barrier. By educating yourself and making informed decisions, you can minimize your risk and maximize your potential returns. Diversification is one of the key strategies for managing risk. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions to reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. While all investments carry some risk, there are ways to manage it. Diversification is one of the most effective strategies for reducing risk. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can protect yourself from significant losses if one investment performs poorly. Additionally, it's important to have a long-term perspective when investing. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it has provided strong returns over the long term. By staying invested and not reacting to short-term market fluctuations, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. We'll talk about those later. In the meantime, remember that investing is not just for rich dads or adults with lots of money. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and build wealth over time. By starting early, investing small amounts, and managing your risk, you can set yourself up for financial success. So, don't be afraid to take that first step and start your investment journey today. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the closer you'll be to achieving your financial goals.